All right. Welcome to another good session. Let's check our audio and our visual. Confirm from your end how is our visual and how is our audio. While I check from my own end as well. I'll be right back shortly. All right. From my end here, my audio is perfect. The visual is also very awesome. So let me know in the comment section if you have a contrary opinion. If you have a contrary opinion, let me know. So right now we're getting started on with today's business. Let's dive into the chart. Okay, so last week I was telling you on what you should expect this month. I was sharing that with you, and I made it very clear of where we should be expecting price to reverse from. And one of those areas was I pointed this other block here, and also pointed this fair value gap. I pointed this fair value gap for this and this as well. So I marked my zone from that area and also tap into this other block just to cover the fair value gap and the other block there. And price eventually tap into that area, and we're expecting to look for a sell, and that's what we were looking for this particular sell. But when you got there, we didn't see reason for entry. We couldn't find any reason for us to take that trade on that particular zone. But then the market pulled up further into the other block itself. It pulled up into this other block very time. So it is now on that other block. So what we should expect to do from this particular area is to go in and look for confirmation entries. Go for our confirmation entries. And in looking for that confirmation entries, what I will simply need to do here is to jump down to smaller time frame like 1 hour. And as you can see, price is right in there. Price is right in there. So you can see the market was forming this higher high right inside this particular zone. See this higher high movement price was forming. And up till when it formed this higher high, and it's forming that higher high, it was also forming this higher lows as well. You can see the market is forming these higher lows, right? So now what we are now looking for our entries here is a possible change of character for us to be sure that yes, of a truth, this market is ready to go into our direction. And from here you can see this is the high, right? And this is the higher high. This high was higher than this previous high, and you see the low, higher low, right? We saw another higher high here. This high was definitely higher than this high, and we saw another low, which is this low here, higher low. We went further to see another high again. This is a higher high again, and after that, what we found here was a another higher lows here, another